Doug with Yaskawa here at FabTech, and I've stopped off at Melton Machine's booth. They've been a long time great partner, integrator partner for us. And so here with Glenn, so he's the VP of Sales and Marketing. And Glenn, you're going to take us through kind of some of what the Melton has to offer, and in the background, we've got a really slick software that you can get into as well. So take it away, Glenn.
Thank you. Welcome to FabTech. And Melton has been doing welding robots since the late 1970s. So seriously, we got like 53 years of experience of welding, and we've installed probably 2,000 robots, industrial robots, another several hundred collaborative robots. Most of them were focused on welding, all variety of industries, including automotive, but also general automation. We do stuff in the food industry. We do stuff in agriculture and transportation, oil and gas. So we got a lot of different industries that we help support. And we use a lot of our own design tooling to help put your part in an exact location. We often tell our customers that there's a lot of people can make a robot go to an exact point with a torch, but it takes somebody that's got some know-how to be able to take our tooling and put your part with your wild tolerances and put them in a repeatable spot so the robot can go to a repeatable spot. And that's where we come in. We have 25 mechanical design engineers, we got 26 controls engineers, and 20 people who are trained and certified by Melton to go out and install robots in customers' facilities. And most of those people have a machinist background, so we take machinists and teach them how to program so that when you have somebody putting stuff in, they know all the mechanical stuff that needs to happen to put your part in exactly the right location. And they know when they make a change, how that change is going to affect all the rest of the processes that are happening in that weld cell. So we got a lot of great experiences. We got great success stories. Here's one that we happen to be doing a lot of welding in a large structure. And this customer asked us to calculate ahead of time how much arc-on time are we going to have. So we had to do the whole simulation. And when we were done with the simulation, we can take that and port it directly over to the Moto Man, because we're doing offline programming, and just do a couple basic touch-ups and we're done. So that allows us to get our program done ahead of time before the robot sometimes even gets to our facility. But the bigger part is that it allows us to do all the tool calculations and see where the torches are going to be at and make sure we got access to all the things that we want to do. Sometimes you got special torch angles that you need, and we can calculate and simulate that ahead of time to make sure we got access for that. So it's a great tool for us. It helps us in all the rest of our business. And quite frankly, whatever we paid for this, we got our money back in the first 2 months, because it saved us from going down a bad path with a piece of tooling that was really, really tricky. We were able to simulate ahead of time, and we got our money back. So it was a great tool for us. So we asked them to come on, be in our booth. We'll help show other customers how this stuff works. If you got applications in welding, you got applications in general, we'll be happy to work with you. Yaskawa is one of our favorite partners, and we sell a lot of them. Probably 80% of the industrial robots we integrate are Yaskawa, and we did 160 industrial robots last year. So come talk to us.
That's impressive. And just real quickly, thank you very much for that rundown, Glenn. This software is from Cenit, C-E-N-I-T, and it's called FastSuite. And it's been a fantastic tool for a lot of customers. Thank you very much, Glenn. Really appreciate it.